It's over the math. Easy solution. We're going to discuss something not really math related, but nonetheless pretty important. So that's what calories are, and look at how much calories protein, carbs, fat, and alcohol have. So basically, calories they're a unit of heat, or energy actually. So it's unit of energy, and it was first defined. It was defined in 1824. It's really old. It's archaic. They don't really use it too often in the sciences, but this is because this was so defined in 1824 before the metric system. So so it isn't used too often, but it is used in the food industry to basically define how much energy food, or like all kinds of food has. So basically, the definition. So the definition is amount of energy required. So amount of energy required to heat 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. And then in the metric system, this is roughly equal to 4.2 joules. It's around there. But but this is a really small measure of this is a really small value, 1 gram. So what they actually most commonly use is this one's commonly called, well, little calorie, or just calorie. The little calorie or just calorie, and then the one that's more common use. So the more common form is basically the kilocal, or which is just equal to 1,000 calories. And in nutritional boxes, whatever, when you get buy food, it's just called calories, or calories, and there's a capital C in there. But people usually get confused because they're both calories, but some is capital, and sometimes they don't even include the capital C. So it's basically out of the context. But all the nutritional stuff, it's all used in this. And this one, this is just equal to 4.2 kilojoules. But just a side note, the problem here is that defining it is really hard, like actually calculating it. I mean, it's hard to measure because the starting temperature is different. So actually it's hard to measure because it depends on the starting temperature. And so it depends on starting temperature, and before commonly used one was the 15 degree calorie, and this is basically it's heating. So basically, this one is basically heating 1 gram of water at 1 atm atmospheric pressure. I'll show this. This is just standard pressure. From 14.5 degrees Celsius to 15.5. So that's one standard measurement that they used to use. But and this is roughly equal to 4.1855 joules and whatnot. There's a lot of other different definitions that were used. So this was an older one, but then the IUNS, which is equal to IUNS, International Union of Nutritional Science, is a non-government organization dedicated to basically furthering nutrition science. So they adopted. So they basically adopted the calorie as equaling basically 4.182 joules. So this is what they use as various reasons, but anyway, so that's what they use. So, but this one again, this is a small cal, or just called small calorie, just so you don't confused, because when you look at the your cereal box or whatever, the calories are it's basically kilocals or whatnot. So basically, if we were to so now if we look at how much carbs, let's say 1 gram of carbs or carbohydrates, this actually has so this has 4 calories, or equal to 4,000 calories here, which is above this one. And 1 gram of protein has, this one has 4, we'll just call this big 4 cal. So it's basically 1 kcal, this is just going to equal to 1 calorie. This is what commonly used, just a capital C. Just remember that. And then so 1 gram of basically this one fat. This one has more than double these ones. This is actually 9 calories. I'll show another video how this is important to understand here in this one. Because yeah, you could last longer with fat because it has a lot more calories just by eating a bit of fat. And this even eating fat, you can help lose weight because you're not eating too much. Yeah, you're not eating too much, but it has more calories, and also you'll feel more full. But anyway, so also 1 gram of alcohol. This one's interesting. Of alcohol. This one has 7 calories. So this is more than carbs and protein, but less than fat. Yeah, so just keep in mind when you go out drinking or whatnot that 1 gram alcohol has quite a bit of calories. So if you're ever wondering where this extra few pounds of weights you added, it might be from alcohol. But anyways, I'll discuss this later. Probably another video. I'll show how much protein and carbs and fat you would need in a day. It's like if you work out or don't work out and whatnot. But basically, yeah, this is what a calorie is: 4.1 joule, or more commonly, it's 4.1 kilojoule if you're looking at the common used calorie, which is in your nutritional box and whatnot. Yeah, so basically here's a little brief history of it, and hopefully you'll learn, and stay tuned for another math easy solution.